Right, here we go. Has everybody got this? Harun, are you on this question now? You're on the teacher pack, yeah? 16. Right, there we go. Bismillah. Okay, question number 6, another examination question. You can't see the actual question which is written on the bottom. I'll read it out to you. It says, describe fully the single transformation that maps shape P onto shape Q. So we've got to describe how this shape got to that shape. First of all, let's join up some corresponding points. So let's start with that corner there. Right. Idris, does that look like the rod technique? That we've got this rod here and we just turn it around. So have we, in a sense, quickly found our answer already? What type of answer is it then? 180. It's going to be a. Let me see. Am I? Is it? So should we say it is a rotation, and it is 180 degrees about. No, you don't need to say that because it's M80. About. Okay, by the it's not coming out properly on the picture.
2-1.
Rotation. 100. That's why when you drink too much. 80 degrees. Okay, what's another word we could use for 0, 0? We could use
origin.
About origin. Okay, what's that?
You just say x equals y.
No, you can't say that.
No, this x here.
Oh, no, sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so rotation 180 degrees, and that's the center about. Okay, Idris, are you happy with the language we use in the question? So standardized language. The next question says rotate shape P 90 degrees anti-clockwise. You can't see this on the screen, but I'm reading to you. Rotate shape P 90 degrees anti-clockwise about the point A11.
Yeah.
So here's the point A11. You have to rotate this shape from there 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Now, what do we do first of all? I'm going to change to green. We're going to use a rod to join the center Idris to the closest point of the shape, which is that point. Then we're going to use our tracing paper, and we're going to go 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Which way is anti-clockwise? Toward the
left.
Toward the left. So that line, that green line there, it'll go from this part to which part? To there. So we can already plan that part now. So use your tracing paper now, folks, and let's get the shape exactly right. So I'm going to trace it now. Here you go. Here's my rod. Here's my original shape. I think I've written in the wrong place in the previously. I'm going to end up on top of it. It doesn't matter. We'll manage, inshallah. Okay, now 90 degrees. Now, okay, for watch over here. It goes the back. If this line here, the rod line, has to match up with the where it's supposed to go to, which is that green one there. Okay. When you get to stop. So watch this now. Okay, Mr. Umar, are you watching me? With my fingers, I'm moving around anti-clockwise. Moving the shape around until my rod, that rod there matches the green rod underneath. Tell me to stop.
Stop. Stop.
Stop. Okay, can you see I'm slightly off sync? Yeah? So let's move it slightly down a bit. Pick it up. Put the points in. Put it down. Check it. That's good. Pick it up. Put the point in. Okay, pick it up. Put the point in. Check it. That's lovely. Let's join it up. Okay, folks, we are doing examination questions. We are preparing for the exam by doing examination questions. Okay, I've slightly gone over my previous questions. Sorry about that. I'll envisage to write it out again. Okay, now. Did you say label anything?
No.
No, that's it. That's done.
Wait.
Here's our next examination question. Question number 5. It says, describe fully the single transformation which maps the triangle A onto the triangle C. Yeah. First of all, folks, we join up some corresponding points. Okay. In this particular question, do you reckon the center of rotation is on that line? By who thinks the center of rotation is on that line? It's not a trick question. Just think. On the other ones, it has been on the line. On this one, is it on the line? No. Okay. Right, what we need to do now, we need to join 2 other corresponding points up. Should we join up these corners here?
Yeah.
So So in this case, it's not we can't tell so far, so we're going to do another set of corresponding points up. Now, what we're going to do what we done last time. We're going to find the perpendicular bisectors of those. So this point here, this line here, what's halfway, Harun, of this line, red line here? Where's the halfway point? On the x-axis. Lovely. I'm going to do that in green on mine. I'll do slightly above the line so you can see more clearly. So what I'm doing now, Umar, I'm finding the midpoint of these two, yeah? Idris, are you happy with what I'm doing? Yeah, so we've joined up the corresponding points. Now I need to find out the midpoint of this red line here. Now, okay, what did we do last time? We've done the midpoints using the coordinates, didn't we? How many across, half it. How many up, half it. Do you remember that technique? So let's try that technique again now, inshallah. So we got here, from here. Now look at this, folks. This is triangle here, from there to there. So how many places here? One, look, can you see my pen there, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Across. What's half of 4?
2.
Okay, 2. Okay, now, this look at the height of this triangle down. This from there to there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half of 8 is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got to join those two up, and they actually meet where? So if you look at Zishan, are you with me?
Yeah.
So what we've done here, from there to there, we've actually worked out the midpoint of those two coordinates by halfway across, up, halfway down, and okay. Now what do we do at that point there, Haruna? How do I get the perpendicular bisector? What do we use?
The rod technique.
No, it's the protractor. Okay, so we get the protractor, we put it on there, and we put the T right on that point, and we look, inshallah, we should get it right, and that's looking absolutely beautiful. And for the 90, can you put a little line for where the 90 is? Can you see on there it is? I've got 90 here, yeah? That's the 90 line. Now, I want you to join up the red dot with my pencil 90 line, and you'll find something amazing. Okay, where does my pencil line and the green line cross? Where is the intersection? Can somebody give me coordinates, please?
1.5.
No.
2 and 0.5. 1.
Hello?
1.
There.
1.
The pencil line.
1 is 1.
1 and?
0.
0.
0.
1 and 0. Okay, so we can say, we're going to prove in a second that it is the place by using the rod technique on it. Because you can't tell at the moment. Can't tell that is actually correct, but we'll just check in a second, inshallah. What we're going to do now, we're going to write down the answer. I'll write my answer on the side over here with the black pen. Where shall I write over here?
At the top, right.
On this side here, okay? So I'm right down here, it's a rotation. Now, what does the angle look like for you? The moment it's gone from this side to that side, so it's gone, how much has it flipped through? How much? 90?
90 degrees.
So the rotation is going to be 90 degrees, which direction? From A to C?
Clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Okay, I'm still on the, see that?
Yes,
and rotation 90 degrees anti-clockwise about. Where was it about?
It's 1, 0,
About the center. 1,
0.
0. Okay, now, to give you some confidence that the method that we are using is correct, inshallah this will be uploaded to YouTube as well, inshallah, for your further perusal. Okay, ladies, Ifra, can you check, is it all lovely? Looking tight? Looking nice? Yeah, good. That's good. Right, I'm gonna. Right, folks, are you ready for some? Now, if I join original shape A, can you join with the rod, please? I'm using like a nice big thick rod on mine. Can you join that same rod to the same place? And let's check that our answer is actually correct. To give you the confidence that the method that we're using is a good method. Okay, right. Now, we need to use our tracing paper. You need to rub any of the other stuff off, rub it off. If not, use the clean part. I will give you another sheet when you go home, inshallah. So you have a nice clean sheet to do your homework with. Inshallah. Alright. Okay, I'm going to check mine now. Okay, folks, those of you who want to follow me, Zishan, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, here you go. Here's my center. Here's my rod. Okay, here's my original shape. Umar, are you drawing with me as well, yeah? You doing it? Is it making some sense?
Yeah.
The rod method, it needs a lot of practice. Okay, now, where do I put my pencil? I put my pencil on the center of rotation.
1, 0.
Now watch this, my little finger here, okay, this finger, I'm going to slowly move it around. Nice and loose, the paper's nice and loose, easily moving around. Easily moving around, easily moving around. And alhamdulillah, it's right. Absolutely bang on. So as they say, we're in the money. Yeah, good? Good for that?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, and that's given us exactly that, and that is your 90 degrees there. And that you don't really need to measure, but you can if you want to, it's 90 degrees. And that's the answer done. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I think we've done enough rotation questions. I'm going to give you some time to do some yourself. Second. Okay, Harun, are we happy with what we've done so far?
Yeah.
Okay, now, can you now swap to the second pack I gave you, which is a student on your own go? Close this pack up, and now you have a quick blast of the same questions before you go home. Inshallah, 5 minutes before we break to go home, we're going to read Isha. It'll take us 5 minutes. 5 minutes of the evening, you can go home and you read the 5th prayer of the day. Inshallah, go home nice and relaxed and fresh.